Alright, 2007 Saturn Ion. Got a complaint that the car's running bad. It doesn't seem to be idling fine. Here are the codes. I pulled up some data on the Autel, and right now, since the 5.0 reference number 2 is okay. This is how it was before. I got a shot of it. I went on the computer and looked at what feeds that sensor. I mean that voltage reference. And that's what I found here. It's the crank sensor and the throttle body, along with other sensors. But I was mainly focused on the crank right now. I was going one by one, you know, moving harnesses, inspecting harnesses. Like, let's say this is throttle body, you know, maybe it was rubbing here, which is not, you know. The next, I just followed the harness to the crank sensor. Is what I found here. The crank sensor lives right there. As you can see, kind of, there's a bare wire there. I moved it, but it was originally laying like so. It was originally moving, touching that block. Oops. So what this car needs is a crank sensor pigtail, and probably going to replace the crank sensor. Alright, here's another shot of the wires. Crank sensor. You can see the wire insulation is breaking down. You see over here where the harness was rubbing like so here on the block, like this, causing the 5-volt reference 2 to short out and cause the codes and runnability problems. Alright.